Hey guys, Mike from Gettin Greasy Garage. As I posted yesterday, been having computer problems. I totally forgotten that I could post on the YouTube channel to let you guys know what was up, why I hadn't been putting up any videos. Anyway, got that took care of. Still having some computer issues. I got two computers now and learning how to use one and trying to get videos off the other one anyway. Everything's getting solved eventually here. But I've been working on the fair lane. Now you're gonna wonder why I jumped you from things like suspension to dash. Well, a couple of reasons really. So we had the dashboard, and you can see, I mean, it's quite the dashboard. It's all steel. We had it sandblasted and painted, and I don't have a lot of space here in my shop to store parts. So I had it sitting on a table at the back of the car. It was right in the way. And everybody has this thing for walking up and touching shiny parts. And so I was getting kind of afraid of it, getting scratched, getting bumped into. So went ahead and said, screw it. I needed to put it together anyway, get it back in the car so that I can run the angle on the steering column, because it attaches here, and shoot it through the firewall. So I can cut the new hole and get all that started as part of doing the front suspension. So got everything out that I've done up to this point. Finished cleaning stuff up. Had to modify some knobs. Made some changes. The lighting in here is not the greatest, but you can see the lettering done. Clock, there wasn't a lot I could do with that. Here's where the radio goes. There's a nice glare. You can see the Ford lettering. Heater controls. Got one more knob to get for the on-off switch for the blower fan and for the wipers, but I gotta find a longer wiper switch that reaches further through. Got everything else. These are original knobs that they're okay. If I can get replacements, I will down the road, but for now they look fine. You'll notice there's no key switch in there. That is because we're going to a key fob in your pocket, push to start system like modern cars, which will also act like an anti-theft device for this car. So that I had to do some modifications with the switch that came in the kit. That's why it's not on there now. I used all new stainless steel hardware everywhere I could. And got everything mounted back in. Now, I do need to come up with a defroster ductwork, which they were made out of cardboard when this car was built. The rats chewed it all to shit. The glove box, same deal. I've seen glove box liners online for like $200 for an original cardboard one. So that's crazy to me. So, I'm talking original used and not in very good shape for $200. So I'm gonna go ahead and just probably take some aluminum. I'll cut apart what's left of the old one and use it for the patterns, and then just bend a glove box liner out of aluminum and then paint it and put it in. Got the old ashtray working. You don't see these in cars anymore. And like I say, everything else turned out looking really good. I'm very happy with how it looks. Definitely gonna pop when it's in the car. You know, that a lot of black there. No paint. Paint's decent. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, that's the latest. You know, this. I'll tell you one thing with these old cars. You know, from a distance, everything looks pretty and nice. But when you go to lining up all these individual pieces, these cars were pretty crude. I mean, I got everything adjusted as best I could, and it is what it is. These are original parts. The chrome is in moderate condition. I think it gives it a touch of character to have the chrome not be shiny brand new. You know, it lets the car show some age without showing its age, if you will. But yeah, coming along. I'm happy with this. You know, this is when you're driving a car. It's what you'd be looking at, other than looking out the window. So anyway, I get this in. Next project is modern brake light switch on the brake pedal assembly. Brake pedal assembly has to go in before the dash, otherwise you can't get to a couple of bolts. So I found a really cool switch to use, which I'll show you guys in the next video. That should be tomorrow. I'm just gonna, when I get back the videos that I had saved to post, we'll go ahead and post them up on the channel. And meanwhile, I'm just gonna pick up where I left off. Now, I have been busy with other work, so I had to kind of back away from this for a minute. And to be honest with you, you know, this is a big build, this car, and I am doing it all by myself with very little help. My son helps me a tiny bit here and there if I really need it, but this is all me. And you know, you have to take a break sometimes and go do something else and come back and get those creative juices flowing again, which I was able to do. And you know, I'm buzzing on this car. And you know, here it is Saturday night. It's like 6:37 p.m. and I'm still in the shop. So you know, that's good. I like to want to wake up in the morning and come work on this car or whatever car happens to be in the shop. I don't want to get to where I feel like this is a drag and I avoid coming to my shop and doing this stuff. So, because it is supposed to be fun. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. We're at 191 subscribers as of last night. So we're slowly creeping up there. If we can get this channel over 1,000, we can really get some great things going. Welcome new subscribers. Make sure, as I was saying before my camera cut me off here, if you're not subscribed, please do. Make sure like, share, comment, ring the bell for notifications. And yeah, so anyway, guys, that's all I got for now. We'll see you in the next one.